We take a start with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. You have to remember that education is the key to the future. So you have to get this key for making your future secure and bright. We start our today's topic, which is named as theorems related with area. Here we discuss some important theorems which are related with the area of parallelograms and triangles. Before starting this exercise, we have to define a term, median of a triangle. एक ऐसा लाइन सेगमेंट जो किसी भी ट्राइंगल के एक वर्टेक्स से स्टार्ट हो और उस वर्टेक्स की अपोजिट साइड को बाइसेक्ट करे. From vertex to the midpoint of opposite side, then this line segment is called median of a triangle. हर ट्राइंगल में 3 मीडियंस होते हैं क्योंकि हर ट्राइंगल के 3 ही वर्टेक्स होते हैं. So we can define median of a triangle as a line segment joining the vertex to the midpoint of opposite side, thus bisecting that side. We are going to solve question number 1 from exercise 16.2. We have to show that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. हम सपोज करते हैं कि हमारे पास एक ट्राइंगल है ABC. We have to draw a line segment from the vertex A which bisects the opposite side BC at point M. So we can say AM is the median of the triangle which divides the triangle ABC into two triangles which are named as triangle ABM and triangle AMC. We can also say that measure BM equal to measure MC. अब हमने BC साइड के पैरेलल एक साइड लेनी है which is PQ. इसी तरह हम साइड AM के लेफ्ट साइड पे पैरेलल साइड लेंगे BS और इसकी राइट साइड पे हम पैरेलल साइड लेंगे CT. In this way we get two parallelograms which are named as AMBS and AMCT. First of all we will write what is given. In triangle ABC, AM is median and measure BM equal to measure MC. We have to prove that area of triangle ABM equal to area of triangle ACM. For this we will do some constructions. Draw PQ which is parallel to BC and draw BS which is parallel to AM and draw CT which is parallel to side AM. We will prove this question by writing some statements. First of all we will write side BS is parallel to side AM and side BM is parallel to side SA, which is our construction. We can say this is our parallelogram BMAS. Similarly, side MC is parallel to side AT and side AM is parallel to side CT. So we can say this is the parallelogram AMCT. Both these parallelograms BMAS and AMCT are between the same parallel lines BC and PQ. ये दोनों parallelograms two parallel lines के between हैं which are BC and PQ. So we can say they have equal areas. We can also write area of parallelogram BMAC equal to area of parallelogram AMCT, which implies that half of the area of parallelogram BMAS and half of the area of parallelogram AMCT. So we get area of triangle ABM equal to area of triangle AMC. So a median of triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. हमने ये प्रूव कर दिया कि एक मीडियन ने एक ट्राइंगल ABC को टू ट्राइंगल्स में डिवाइड कर दिया जिनके एरियाज भी इक्वल हैं. Here we learn about parallelogram. It is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four-sided shape that has two pairs of parallel sides is called parallelogram. We can also say that a flat shape with four straight sides where opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are equal in length. And you must know that opposite angles are also equal in parallelogram. For example, squares, rectangles and rhombuses, all these are examples of parallelogram because these are four-sided shapes and in these shapes opposite sides are equal in length. That's why we can say these are parallelogram. In question number 2 we have to prove that a parallelogram is divided by its diagonals into four triangles of equal area. हमने ये प्रूव करना है अगर हमारे पास एक पैरेललोग्राम हो ABCD और इसको डायगोनल से डिवाइड कर दिया जाए तो हमारे पास 4 ट्राइंगल्स आएंगी विच आर ऑफ इक्वल एरियाज. We suppose that we have a parallelogram ABCD and its diagonals are AC and DB. ये दोनों diagonals एक दूसरे को intersect कर रहे हैं at point L. In this way, we get 4 triangles which are named as triangle ABL, triangle BCL, triangle CDL and triangle ADL. हमने ये प्रूव करना है कि इन 4 triangles के areas equal हैं. Firstly, we will write what is given in this question. In parallelogram ABCD, AC and BD are its diagonals which meet at point L. We have to prove that triangles ABL, BCL, CDL and ADL have equal areas. From the diagram we can say that triangles ABC and ABD have same base which is AB. दोनों triangles ABC और ABD की base same है which is AB and are between the same parallel lines AB and DC. और ये दोनों triangles two parallel lines के between है which are AB and DC. So they have equal areas. We can also write area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle ABD. And area of triangle ABL plus area of triangle BCL is similar to area of triangle ABL plus area of triangle ADL. By solving this we get area of triangle BCL equal to area of triangle ADL. Similarly, you can see from the diagram area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle BCD and area of triangle BCL equal to area of triangle ABL. Area of triangle BCL equal to area of triangle CDL and area of triangle ABL equal to area of triangle CDL. As diagonals of parallelograms bisect each other and L is the midpoint of AC, so BL is median of the triangle ABC. We can write area of triangle ABL equal to area of triangle BCL. From these three equations we get area of triangle ABL equal to area of triangle BCL equal to area of triangle CDL equal to area of triangle ADL. इन चारों ट्राइंगल्स के एरिया सेम है विच इज़ आवर रिक्वायर्ड प्रूफ. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 विच स्टेट्स दैट डिवाइड अ ट्राइंगल इनटू 6 इक्वल ट्राइंगुलर पार्ट्स. हम सपोज करते हैं कि हमारे पास एक ट्राइंगल है ABC. हमने इस ट्राइंगल को 6 इक्वल पार्ट्स में ऐसे डिवाइड करना है कि हर पार्ट ट्राइंगल को शो करे. फॉर दिस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू ड्रा अ रे BD एंड देन वी हैव टू मार्क 6 पॉइंट्स ऑन दिस रे विच आर D, E, F, G, H and I in such a way that the distance between these points is same. We can write measure BD equal to measure DE equal to measure EF equal to measure FG equal to measure GH equal to measure HI. इन सारे points का distance आपस में equal होना चाहिए. Now we have to join point I to C. Similarly we have to join point H to L, G to M, F to N, E to O and D to P. इसके बाद हमने पॉइंट A को पॉइंट L, M, N, O एंड P से ज्वाइन कर देना है. इन दिस वे वी गेट 6 ट्राइंगल्स विच आर नेम्ड एज ट्राइंगल BAP, ट्राइंगल PAO, ट्राइंगल OAN, ट्राइंगल NAM, MAL एंड LAC विच आर द रिक्वायर्ड 6 equal parts. Firstly we will write what is given. Triangle ABC is given and we have to divide this triangle ABC into 6 equal triangular parts. The construction we have done, we will write it as draw the ray BT making an acute angle CBT. On BT mark 6 points D, E, F, G, H and I in such a way that measure BD equal to measure DE equal to measure EF equal to measure FG equal to measure GH equal to measure HI. Join I to C and draw HL, GM, FN, EO and DP which are parallel to IC. Join A to L, M, N, O and P. So the triangles BAP, PAO, OAN, NAM, MAL and LAC are required 6 equal parts of the triangle ABC. Now you have to solve exercise 16.2 and you have to give your best. Thanks to all of you for sharing your precious time. Allah Hafiz.